Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज मैं आपके साथ 5 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को लेकर उपस्थित हुई हूँ। तो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। इंडिया हैज़ जॉइंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट known as OECD and G20 Inclusive Framework Text Deal. OECD's headquarter is in Paris, France. Government of India has invited nomination for Subhash Chandra Bose Aapada Prabandhan Puraskar 2021. This award carries a cash award of how much amount for an individual? This amount is rupees 5 lakhs for an individual and rupees 51 lakh in case of some institution. And this award is given for excellence in the field of disaster management. Which ministry has organized capacity building workshop for media professionals of northeastern and southern states on COVID-19? This ministry is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare in partnership with UNICEF have organized this capacity building workshop, and it was arranged to bust myths about COVID vaccines and reinforce the importance of COVID appropriate behavior. Mansukh Mandaviya has virtually inaugurated PSA oxygen plant at which district in Uttar Pradesh? It is in Basti district. A pressure swing absorption oxygen plant set up at OPEC Kaili Hospital in Basti district was virtually inaugurated by Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers Mansukh Mandaviya, who has taken over as Vice Chief of Air Staff recently. This position has been taken by Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary and he has succeeded Air Marshal H.S. Arora in this position. According to Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, GST will help achieve vision of $5 trillion Indian economy by which year? It is by year 2025. Who has qualified for the upcoming Tokyo Games in both 100-meter and 200-meter races recently? It is Duti Chand. World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO has barred Delhi-based firm from illegally using brand name Khadi. WIPO is headquartered in Geneva. According to Environment and Forest Minister Prakash Javadekar, India has taken target of creating additional 2.5 billion tons carbon sequestration by which year? It is by 2030. Who has released report on UDISE 2019-20 for school education in India? This report has been released by Ramesh Pokhriyal, and UDISE Plus report unveiled some interesting facts, both positive and negative, about Indian school education system. World Sports Journalist Day is observed globally on 2nd July every year. The day was established in the year 1994. World UFO Day is observed on which date every year to create an awareness of unidentified flying objects? It is celebrated on 2nd July to raise awareness of the undoubted existence of UFO and to encourage governments to declassify their files on UFO sightings. Who has launched the crop insurance awareness campaign for Fasal Bima Yojana? It has been launched by N.S. Tomar. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar launched this Yojana during Crop Insurance Week. Which bank has launched a Salam Dil Se initiative? This has been launched by HDFC to show gratitude towards doctors for their tireless service during pandemic and their bravery to fight with pandemic by risking their own lives. Recently, which country has started the construction of 5th nuclear power unit in Kudankulam, Tamil Nadu? It is Russia. Russian agency began work on 5th reactor at Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Recently in discussion, Yellowstone National Park, which is in danger due to global warming, is located in which country? It is located in America. It was established on 1st March 1872 and it was first national park in US as well as in the world. Glaciers, snowpacks, rainfall produce water that flows through lakes, streams and rivers in the park, and along with this climatic change, increase in temperature, decrease in precipitation having already led to the decline of the wetlands of the Yellowstone National Park, and that's why it is in danger. What is the rank of India in Global Cyber Security Index? India occupies 10th rank, whereas US occupies the topmost place in this index. Which state government has removed the interview process from the recruitment process in government jobs? This state is Andhra Pradesh. Who has become the first state to provide uniform to Anganwadi children? This state is Gujarat. Recently, whose tenure as CEO of Niti Aayog has been extended for the period of 1 year? This is Amitabh Kant. Recently, the shipment of fresh Burmese grapes from Guwahati was exported to which city? This shipment was exported to Dubai. When was National Doctors Day celebrated recently? It was celebrated on 1st July. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे एफर्ट्स और मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.